This brief demonstration shows two methods on how to remove the fan blade assembly on Pelonis air circulator model FB50-9HA. The only two methods that I found to remove the blade assembly causes damage to the threaded insert, as I was unable to remove the blade assembly just by pulling it off. Both of those methods requires inserting a pick or flathead screwdriver into the small hole in the threaded insert next to the shaft and rotating the blade clockwise, which I'll demonstrate in following steps. After I did this a few times, the threaded insert is now loose and the blade is easy to remove from the rotating shaft. As a result, I added a washer behind the blade cap nut to manage and control the blade assembly looseness and excess vibration. So if you know how to remove the blade assembly without causing damage to the threaded insert, feel free to explain in the comments below. Secure the rear guard to the table with a bungee cord. Remove the blade cap nut with the locking pliers. Attach the locking pliers to the tip of the rotating shaft and spin the blade clockwise until it touches the pliers. Insert the tip of the pick into the small hole and turn the blade clockwise and then remove the blade from the rotating shaft. If unable to remove the blade with a pick, then insert the tip of a flathead screwdriver into the small hole and then turn the blade clockwise and then remove the blade from the rotating shaft. If you found this demonstration to be useful or helpful, please give a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.